Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson 2803 not printing color? The reason behind the issue could be a clogged printhead, outdated firmware, or an outdated printer driver. For one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the number displayed. If you're continuing with the video, then we'll look into all issues one by one and fix them properly. So let's get started. Method 1. Clean the printhead manually. Turn on your printer. Lift up the control panel and open the inner cover. Now, give a copy command to get the printhead moving. As soon as the printhead slides to left, unplug the power cord. Lift the scanner unit. Unscrew the two screws on the left side. Lift the scanner unit and keep it propped up with a sturdy object. Slide the printhead to the middle. Take off the top cover. Now, gently press the tabs on the ink cartridges and pull them out. Press the tabs on the white plate from the left and right sides and remove it. Unscrew the three screws that hold the printhead in place. Carefully lift out the printhead without causing any damage. Remove the chip from the printhead. Clean the printhead by rubbing it gently on a wet tissue or a lint-free cloth. Once the printhead looks clean, reassemble everything the way it was. If unclogged printhead didn't do the magic, let's check if the printer driver is not outdated. If you're facing any other issue with the Epson printer, tell us in the comments below. Method 2. Update printer driver. Go to your computer, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box. Once the dialog box appears, search devmgmt.msc. Now, click on the print queues or printers and find your printer. Right-click on your printer and select Update Driver. Click on the Search automatically for the drivers option. If updating the printer driver solved the issue, please subscribe to our channel. If you're still stuck with the problem, let's move on updating the printer firmware. Method 3. Update firmware. Open your browser and go to the official website of Epson Firmware Update. Scroll down and click the Downloaded Here hyperlink. On the next page, scroll down and click on the Download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file on your computer and click on Save. After downloading, navigate to the downloaded application, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option. Then click OK. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product. Now, the Epson Software Updater checks for software updates. After updates appear on the Updater window, check the Firmware Updater and click on the Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option. Then click on OK. Here, the firmware updater will start downloading. Now, in the Epson Firmware Updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating. Then click on the Start button. Wait for the firmware update preparations to complete. Once the firmware update is completed, click on Finish and try printing again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.